Hello everybody, welcome back to another unboxing where I grab an item that we have in stock, talk about what it is and what it does. Today with us we have the Bonce Machete Series DB-LW-65A4 mid-bass speakers. The DB-LW-65A4 is the perfect fusion of power, precision, and performance in a pair of 6.5-inch mid-bass speakers. Designed to enhance quality in the car audio, these speakers put out an impressive 80 watts RMS output at 4 ohms. The Machete Series speakers features a sleek and stylish design that complements any vehicle interior. Not only that, but their compact size and easy installation make them a versatile addition to any car audio setup, while their durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Now onto some of the features that these speakers have. So they have a power output of 80 watts RMS and an 89 decibel sensitivity. The frequency response is about 30 Hz all the way up to 3500 Hz. They have a copper voice coil and pressured paper cones, and rubber sound and aluminum baskets. More features and information are available on the website, but these are the features that highlight these specific mid-bass speakers. And speaking of highlights, let's talk a little bit about the price on these. So, these speakers specifically are $109.90. Engineered for dynamic sound across all frequencies, these speakers ensure that every beat is delivered with clarity and depth. Easy to install and built to last, the Machete Series is a perfect addition to any car audio setup. So, if you're interested in these speakers, you can get them at our website at bigjeffaudio.com/collections/DefBonce. Don't miss on versatility, loudness, clarity, and depth that these mid-bass speakers can bring to your car audio system. In addition to the versatility that these speakers have, the quality of them is amazing, so you don't want to miss out. Again, make sure to go to bigjeffaudio.com/collections/DefBonce. And as always, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And also comment below something you would like to see us unbox. Make sure to follow our Facebook for daily updates and sales, and don't miss out. Thanks for watching!